As more and more renewable energy generators are coming online, the system operators need a tool to balance their grids against fluctuating demand and intermittent supply. The grid operators are using battery energy storage system for various purposes, such as frequency regulation, renewable energy smoothing, etc. However, the lithium-ion battery, ESS, has a disadvantage. Abnormal condition in one cell can create a significantly adverse effect to the entire BESS, such as abnormally reduced performance, increased risk of fire, and increase of cost and instability. When thermal runaway occurs in one cell, it spreads quickly to the entire rack of the BESS. Thus, the operator needs a technology that can check the conditions of each and every cell and pinpoint which cell is behaving abnormally. KEPCO developed and uses the battery degradation management system to prevent fire in BESS. KEPCO's standard BESS projects adopt 14 containers of 4 megawatt BESS, which consist of 150,000 battery cells packed in 588 racks. KEPCO's battery degradation management system can monitor the conditions of each battery cell, such as its current, voltage, temperature, etc. KEPCO's battery degradation management system is monitoring total 978 megawatts of BESS. KEPCO uses to stabilize its grid and notifies KEPCO when it is the most optimal time for maintenance and replacement. Also, KEPCO developed the large capacity supercapacitor ESS, which does not pose the risk of fire and has longer lifespan than the existing commercial BESS. Supercapacitor ESS poses much less risk of fire and can discharge large amount of electricity in a short period of time, as the electrodes of supercapacitors do not react chemically when they charge or discharge. KEPCO enlarged the surface areas of its supercapacitors so that they discharge electricity 4 times more than other commercially available ones do. The performance of KEPCO's supercapacitor ESS has been proven after the company had successfully operated its supercapacitor ESS for frequency regulation for the first time in the world. KEPCO also developed the cooperative operation technology for operation of BESS and supercapacitor ESS, which reduces frequency of charge and discharge by BESS and in turn extends the life of entire ESS system and reduces the risk of fire. With its battery degradation management system and supercapacitor operation know-how, as the unique selling points, KEPCO will seek opportunities to export its ESS solution for bulk energy service and microgrid in the US, the Middle East and Australia, and for frequency regulation service in Ireland.